Good day, viewers. You are welcome to the Law TV, your number one fantastic reality TV that gives you all that it takes to be enlightened on trending news, such as politics, entertainment, sports, and what have you. If you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as well as the already subscribed. So please don't forget to drop your comments anytime I drop new videos. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Trending news. Court asked to declare IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu a fugitive. The Abuja division of the Federal High Court has been asked to declare the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a fugitive. The plaintiff, Mr. Donald Okonkwo, who identified himself as a law-abiding citizen and indigene of Agbo Town in Delta North Senatorial District, wants the court to determine whether the British government is not under obligation to separate the IPOB leader, who he described as a fugitive cum terrorist, to Nigeria. Cited as defendants in legal action are the British High Commission in Nigeria, the Department of State Service (DSS), and the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malam San. He prayed the court to order the UK government to, within 21 days after delivery of judgments in the matter, repatriate Kanu to Nigeria for prosecution. Specifically, the plaintiff, through its counsel, Mr. Abiodun Babalola, prayed the court to determine the following issues: whether the first defendant is not under obligation to repatriate the IPOB separatist leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, being a fugitive cum terrorist from the Great Britain, where he has been hiding since September 2017 under the cover of his citizenship status back to Nigeria, so he can stand his trial for treasonable felony, among other sundry offences pending against him before Honorable Justice Mrs. Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Whether by a true interpretation of Section 1, 4, and 5 of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013 and second defendant has not abdicated his duties by failing, neglecting, or omitting to arrest and extradite the IPOB separatist leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from the Great Britain back to Nigeria, so he can stand his trial for treasonable felony, amongst other sundry offences, considering the bench warrant issued on 28 March 2019 by Honorable Justice Mrs. Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja, for the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after it determined that he flouted his bail condition. Whether the third defendant, as the chief law officer of the Federation, is not under a statutory duty to advise the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Force of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to sever diplomatic relations with the first defendant for harboring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu being a fugitive cum terrorist in Great Britain, and whether the failure of the third defendant does not amount to abdication of his duties under the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013 upon determination of the legal question. An order compelling the first and second defendant to forthwith arrest and repatriate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from wherever he is hiding in Great Britain back to Nigeria to stand his trial within 21 days from the date of delivery of judgment in this suit, as well as an order directing the first defendant to tender public apology to the Federal Republic of Nigeria in 3 national dailies with 21 days from the date of delivery of judgment in this suit for her complicity in facilitating the escape from justice and harboring of Ms. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the Great Britain, thereby allowing him to cause innocent Nigerian citizens serious emotional trauma through the instrumentality of incessant threats of violence, breach of peace, and overthrow of the legitimate government in Nigeria. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, please, concerning this news, don't forget your ideas and comments are highly welcomed. Don't forget to leave your comments behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.